So the backend of Wordle-Bot has a AWS server which connects the two teams. The server handles both post and get requests from the tablets, a TCP connection with the Turtlebots, and also keeps track of the state of the game. When the tablets accumulate points, they send post requests to the server, which converts those into TCP messages, which are relayed to the Turtlebots to move forward, left, and right, or to set a win state. On the Turtlebot side, when it receives these messages, it receives them in a separate thread, which then creates a thread-safe queue that ROS can then dequeue and use in our custom ROS node. In the event of a win, one of the Turtlebots initiates the message, discovering that it's the winner, and it sends a message to the server, which relays it to the other robot, so they perform their win state actions, which are different spin speed rotations. The logic of the Wordle game itself is similar to the common Wordle game, with the addition of adding points based off of guesses. A correct letter guess corresponds to a single point, and then a correct guess in the right location corresponds to 2 points. So you get 1 point per letter and 1 point per position. You cannot get duplicate values for these letters, however. So if you've already accumulated points for a letter or a position, you cannot get extra points for that position. In terms of strategy in the game, as users move forward, they also have the option of moving left or right in order to block their opponent. If they block their opponent and that opponent decides to move forward, they will hit their opponent and be forced to move back to where they were, therefore forfeiting their points for that round. To determine when the robots have reached the finish line, we use April tag markers, and when a robot gets across the finish line, we have a experimentally determined distance to that marker, which it detects that it's within that distance, and then initiates the win condition.
I hit something. I hit something.
It's gonna go forever.
I hit something. 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 I hit